Hi. So, now let us see what is the meaning of context free grammar, that is the definition of context free grammar, because understanding CFG is very important for further discussion. So, that is why we are seeing some basics about the context free grammars. So, here what is context free grammar? So, when you can say given grammar is context free grammar. So, if every production, that means for example, if you take this example, for example, if you see here, so every production, so what is meaning of production? So, here in this example, so here this is the grammar actually, that means these are the set of rules, and in this set of rules if you see this is one production and S is deriving A, S, B or S is deriving epsilon, that means this is production 1 and this is 2. Next, this is one production, S is deriving small a capital E or S is deriving small b capital B, that means this is one production and this is another production. So, like this here 5, 6, 7, 8, total 8 productions are there actually. Okay. So, these are the productions actually. So, that is what, when you can say this grammar, this whole thing as a grammar set of rules, when you will say this thing as a context free grammar. So, that should be in this form. So, where A is saying that variable or non-terminal, that means LHS part side you should have only one non-terminal, that means one variable must be there. It should not be more than one variable or it should not be combination with terminal. So, here we are going to have only one variable. So, LHS part side it is clear, that is why A belongs to V. So, here what is alpha? RHS part. So, in every production if you observe RHS part, alpha belongs to what? So, it is combination of variables and terminals, that means non-terminals and terminals. So, here A is small a is non-terminal. So, here small a is terminal, capital S is non-terminal, that is variable, and small b is again terminal. So, small letters are terminals, capital letters are non-terminals. So, RHS part is actually combination of these two, and here star is also saying what? 0 length also, that means epsilon. So, if every production is in this form, then that grammar you can say context free grammar. So, LHS part must have only one variable, that is one non-terminal. Yes, LHS part every production is going to have only one variable. Then RHS part if you see, it is the combination of both variables and terminals, that means it is combination of non-terminals and terminals, and sometimes 0 length also, that is what epsilon, that is what closure it is talking. Okay. So, every production is in this form, then you can say this example, this grammar is actually a context free grammar. Okay.